Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll address the challenge of summing a range while ignoring errors. Join us as we explore two methods, one using a formula with the sum, if, and ISERROR functions, and the other employing VBA code, to efficiently handle errors in your Excel calculations. Let's see the first method, which involves using a combination of Excel functions, sum, if, and ISERROR, to sum a range while gracefully handling errors. This formula provides a straightforward solution to exclude error values and ensures accurate summation of your desired range. Assuming that you have a list of data in range A1, C4, in which contain numeric values and the error values, such as #name, #div0, and you want to sum this range but ignoring all error values. How to do it? You can use an Excel array formula based on the sum function, the if function and the ISERROR function to achieve the result. Like this, equals sum, if, ISERROR, A1, C4, A1, C4. Input this formula in a cell. Adjust the range references based on your specific data. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Since this formula is an array formula, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter instead of just Enter to ensure proper execution. The formula will sum the range while excluding any cells containing errors. Now, moving on to the second method, we'll explore how VBA code can be employed to sum a range while ignoring errors. This method offers a more dynamic and automated approach, allowing you to customize the handling of errors in your Excel calculations through the power of Visual Basic for applications. Open your Excel workbook and then click on Visual Basic command under Developer tab, or just press Alt plus F11 shortcut. Then the Visual Basic Editor window will appear. Click Insert greater than Module to create a new module. Paste the below VBA code into the code window. Then clicking Save button. Go back to your Excel workbook and use the custom function equals sum ignore errors, A1, C4, adjusting the range references as needed. Observe the sum result. The VBA code will sum the range while intelligently ignoring cells containing errors. Thanks for watching. With these two powerful methods, you can now confidently sum a range in Excel while ignoring errors. Whether you opt for the formula-based approach using sum, if, and ISERROR functions or harness the flexibility of VBA code, you've expanded your toolkit for accurate and error-tolerant calculations. Subscribe for more insightful tips, and stay tuned for additional tutorials to enhance your Excel skills.